Welcome back to TechnoBreako, where we break down complex tech into simple hacks. Today, we're diving into the world of web application security with Burp Suite, the Swiss Army knife for penetration testers. Burp Suite is a powerful toolset designed for security testing of web applications. It's packed with features that allow you to intercept, inspect, and modify the traffic between your browser and the web server. Let's get started with the basics. First, we'll look at Burp Proxy. This tool sits between your browser and the internet, allowing you to view and modify HTTP and HTTPS traffic. It's perfect for identifying and exploiting security vulnerabilities. Next, we have Burp Repeater. With Repeater, we can manually reissue requests and tweak them to test how the application responds to various inputs. It's a great way to perform detailed testing on specific areas of an application. Don't forget about Burp Scanner. This automated tool scans applications for vulnerabilities. While it doesn't replace manual testing, it's a great way to quickly identify potential weaknesses. And for those who love automation, Burp Intruder is your best friend. It automates custom attacks against applications. Whether you're fuzzing inputs or brute forcing login forms, Intruder saves you time and effort. Lastly, we'll explore Burp Decoder and Comparer. Decoder is a tool for transforming encoded data into its canonical form, while Comparer is used for a side-by-side comparison of request or response pairs. These tools are essential for deep analysis. Finally, Burp Suite is an indispensable tool for any ethical hacker. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, it offers something for everyone. Remember, always use these tools responsibly and within the bounds of the law. That's all for today's session at TechnoBreako. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep breaking through.